Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. Today I'm going to be working on the frame of the S10. I'm going to be coating it, and the product I'm going to be using is from KBS Coatings. It's called the Frame Coater Kit, and this is going to be a glossy black. So I'm going to take you to the steps that you need in order to ensure a good protection on the frame. So let's get to it. First of all, I'm going to be removing the back wheels so that I can have access to the back frame. The first step that I'm going to be doing that you need to take is get yourself a wire wheel, or on my case I'm going to be using a DA with 220 grit sandpaper. I'm going to be sanding everything. You don't need to take off all the rust. The thing is, you need to take off all the rust that's flaking off. That's what you need to do. You need to, if you have a lot of rust flaking, you need to take it off. So scratch it down, take it off. So on my case, I'm going to be sanding the entire frame with the DA as much as possible. On the little nooks and crannies, I'm going to get myself the wire wheel, and I'm going to start taking care of that. So that's the first step. Let me get started and go from there. Alright guys, it's already been sanded. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the KBS Clean. I need to mix that 10 parts water with 1 part of that product. Okay, so let me mix it up, put it on a spray bottle, and start cleaning the entire surface. Okay, I already mixed the water and the cleaner in a spray bottle. So what I'm going to start doing it, I'm going to start spraying the piece. I'm going to go one piece at a time, then I'm going to start scrubbing it. Try to get as much as possible out. Okay, so let me start doing this to the entire frame, and I'll come back. Okay, you saw me clean it with water and a little scrubbing sponge. So I took everything off right now. Everything's nice and clean. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the blower so I can dry everything up. It needs to be completely dry. Alright, the next step is going to be the Russ Blast. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be spraying it and just leaving it there for half an hour. Just make sure it doesn't dry up. Just keep on adding some of this until you're going to be ready to rinse. Okay, you saw me spraying it. I'm just gonna leave it for about 30 minutes and make sure that it doesn't dry. If it starts to dry, I'll start adding some more. But that's all you need to do. Then you're gonna rinse it off. Okay, it's been like about 30 minutes already. As you can see, I still have the area kind of wet, and that's what you want. You don't want it to dry because you need to rinse it off. Okay, so let me continue. I'm gonna start rinsing it off, and it'll be ready to start applying the paint. After this final rinse, I'm gonna start letting it dry, blowing it off with the blower, and make sure everything's dry. So let me continue with that. Okay, after everything is dry, you're good to go. Get yourself a brush, get yourself the paint, the seal, and start brushing it. Try to go in one stroke. You're going to be adding two coats of this paint. It'll go a long way, so just continue like that. Let me do the whole frame, and I'll get back to you as soon as everything's done. All right, the entire back frame is done. You can see it is nice and glossy. And to tell you the truth, guys, this paint can go a long way. This is 2 coats. I don't think I'm gonna be adding another one, so that's it, guys. This is it. This is a real good product. If you wanna get some of this, they have a lot of different colors. I'm gonna leave a link below. Go ahead and click it, and you won't be disappointed. I want to thank Randy for providing me this review. Also, guys, don't forget to like the video, share the video. Also, hit the link below so you can go to this webpage so you can get some of this product. It's real good. And guys, hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And thank you. Have a great week, and God bless.